Here is how to disable restricted mode on your YouTube application on your mobile device, either iPhone, Android, or iPad. So go ahead and launch your YouTube application, log into your specific account, and select your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, select the gear icon in the top right to go to your settings page. Now go to General, and on the right side, you'll see the option of restricted mode, which is between appearance and earn badges. If you go ahead and enable this option right here, it is indicating that the restricted mode is enabled, and this will help hide potentially mature videos, but no filter is 100% accurate. So this setting only applies to this app on this device. So if you want to go ahead and disable this option, simply turn off this toggle and you'll be done. Restricted mode limits the videos you can watch and prevents you from commenting. So disabling it will allow you to use YouTube without these limitations. And after turning it off, you can restart the application to ensure the changes take effect. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.